Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be doing a quick unboxing of this new Seiko watch that I have recently purchased. I've been really browsing on this watch for quite some time now online, and I think it's really difficult for one to come by at a decent price, especially how this watch has skyrocketed to like sky high price now, and I thought it would be too much to pay for, in fact, even though it's discontinued now. And I just thought that the price wasn't really justifiable, because if you are paying $400 to $500 for a Seiko watch, we are looking at like roughly at the Seiko Turtle range. And sorry. So what you have inside the box, it's really just a very simple paperwork. This is the instruction manual, so it guides you through different watch movement. And this watch today is actually a 7S26. So as you can see, it's just a very simple guide with many languages. So that's one of the instructions manual. Sorry. The next is actually the guarantee, or what we call it sometimes warranty card. So let me just take that out. Okay, so this is the certificate or guarantee, but what's inside here, it's more of like the Seiko watch, the resistance, the statistics, what you need to look out for in several languages. Yep, so actually the card's supposed to be inside, so just show you the card. And nothing too sensitive, nothing sensitive here. 7S26, as you can see, is the watch. So you can see over here, you know what I got for today is a SKX009K2, which is also the K means made in Malaysia. So the J model, which is Japan, so this is the K model. So yep, this is a used watch, so the date of purchase is roughly 2 years back, and it's from a 3D watch shop, which is an authorized retailer of Seiko watches. So let me just put that back. Alright, so before I move on, just to show you guys the box. So it's a very nice white sort of cream kind of box. So I think it's not real leather, so it is very simple coating. So with all 20p for, I think it's just one of the box number. So sorry, so it's here. Yep, the SKX009. So before we move on to the watch, I just show you, it's a very nice cushion to keep your watch comfy in this watch box. So there's a Seiko brand and everything is like sweet. I do have spellings over here just in case I need them. Okay, so that's about it for the box. Alright, so now moving on to the watch. Alright, so as you can see, this watch is worn, so there's a bump here, there's some scratches on the crystal, and this crystal is hard lex crystal, so I think the previous owner really did bang it quite hard to get small chip off. I'm not sure if I believe his poly watch could get that off, but I'm not looking to actually beautify this, because I'm gonna wear this as a daily beater. So SKX009 comes with a Pepsi bezel, the red from 0 to the 20-minute marker, then the red, then the blue all the way to the top. So I'm not sure if you can see this, but the dial itself is in a very, very, very dark blue as compared to the 007, which is in matte black. So if you can look at this closely, can you see the chapter ring? It's not aligned. Yep, so this basically happens in most of Seiko watches. So they just, it has sort of become a trademark. So if you got yourself a Seiko, probably the chapter ring will not line up. So I think it's, but nevertheless, I think it's a very beautiful watch. The Pepsi bezel really pops up and makes the watch super attractive and adds a little bit of fun to it. So we have the crown unsigned at roughly about the 4 o'clock position. Okay, so you can see it's pretty worn and there's a huge ding here. I really have no idea what the previous owner took this to do, because I mean I'm totally okay with that, because I'm gonna wear this to beat the hell out of the watch for this, but you can see it's fairly worn. So for the bracelet, little bit of flex because it's hollow mid-link, so it's gonna flex even easier. So scratches, it's very common around watches, especially here as well. So for the clasps, nothing much, standard Seiko clasps with a Seiko branded. Okay, so there's a lot of scratches here and there. I've actually cleaned this up already, so you don't see any dead skins lying around and all this. So as you can see, the case back, very worn, very used watch. 887010 is the serial number of the watch. So solid case backs. As you can see, the end links are hollow. And I guess that's about it for this watch, because I think there's a lots of review here. I just want to do an unboxing to record on this date when I get this watch. Okay, so to end off, I think I'll just do a wrist roll to show you guys how it looks on my roughly 6.75 inch wrist. So as you can see, it fits really comfortably because of the short lug to lug as well. So most importantly, we always look at is the hole here, so you don't want that to be sticking out too much. So as you can see, it fits perfectly. It's really so comfortable. See, it lies flat on top, so it's not overhanging, it's not dropping, it's not top heavy as well. So when you rest your hands, it don't start to slip off and you start to hit, you might damage the side lugs and these things. So I think that's about it for this watch. I'm actually pretty happy to own one of these, even though it's really banged up, but it's a classic that I think all watch lovers should at least touch and go, I guess. But it's the best if you can get one of these now into your collection, because I think it's everyone's stepping stone when you get into watches. So anyways guys, hope you like this video, and if you have any questions, do leave it in the comment section below, and I guess I'll see you the next time. Thank you and cheers.